Right, so since I have less than 5 minutes and this is my fifth of 5 videos, I think I'm just going to have a look at some of these other art styles, perhaps ones I've never used before, just so that it's more interesting for both me and you. The concept art icon, let's try that one. And this is for the prompt. It's a little known fact that cats have the answer to the meaning of life, but only after 3 cups of coffee. Generate. And we got that prompt from our Oracle of Absurdity, which is free to use on our peachy.co website. Concept art icon. Those are quite cool. Those are pretty cool. I like those, but yeah, without staring at them for too long, let's go and choose a different one. Nihonga painting? Nihonga? What? Let's try Nihonga painting. Generate. I have no idea what's going to pop out here. I don't know if I'm supposed to know what that is. It's an art style, obviously. Okay. That's okay, I guess. Let's try something else. Old world map. That could, oops, hang on. It clicked through. Okay, there you go. Old world map. Let's go. Come on, what are we going to see? Oh, okay. An old world map. I do not, that's it, an old world map. I don't see anything about cats or cups of coffee. Okay. So if we want to see cats, maybe I should rather go with something like crayon drawing. Let's see that. Crayon drawing. Of course, you can change your look. I'm not getting orange cats here, and I am very fond of orange cats. So these are quite nice. I like the one on the left. You can change your prompt. It's a little known fact that let's go with orange cats. Change your prompt to whatever you want. So we're changing it to orange cats. And let's try something else. Let's try tattoo design. Let's see that. Generate. It's a little known fact that orange cats have the answer to the meaning of life. Let's see. Oh, that's quite cool. What this is showing the tattoo on somebody's arm, and this one is just showing an image which could be a tattoo. Very cool. I like the long fluffy tail. Anyway, let's try and get some more in before my time is up. Claymation. Let's have a look at that. Orange cat claymation. Could be quite interesting. Oh, that's cute. Look at that. Look at that one on the right. That's cute. Oh, okay, that's a bit weird. He seems to have 2 tails. Unless there's a kitty down there and on a chair or something and his tail is coming up there. Don't know. But those are pretty cute. Okay, we have time for maybe one more. Let's have a look. What should I choose? Painterly. Let's go with Painterly. Yeah, that's a bit of a cheat. I have used Painterly before, but not in a while on Perchance. So let's have a look. Yeah, it's okay. If that's what the type of style you're looking for, there it is. Okay, let's try to get one more in. Soft anime. Let's try that. And I haven't tried this one before. So let's have a look. Come on. I suppose it's kind of like a soft look with a lot of kitty fur. It's like a kitty fur nest. And this, it's kind of similar to Painterly, I think. Anyway, have fun. Enjoy Perchance.